Understanding Upgrade Notice, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, upgrade notice. This is a common term used in various contexts, and understanding it can be very helpful for English language learners. Let's dive in and discover what it's all about. Upgrade notice is a compound noun made up of two words, upgrade and notice. Understanding each word separately can help us grasp the full meaning of the phrase. Upgrade. This part of the phrase refers to the act of improving or enhancing something, often to a newer or better version. Notice. This word typically means a written or verbal announcement or alert. So, when combined, upgrade notice usually refers to an announcement or alert about an improvement or enhancement. Upgrade notice is used in various contexts. Here are some common ones. 1. Technology, often used when software or hardware is being updated to a newer version. 2. Services, can refer to improvements in services like banking, streaming, or telecommunication. 3. Policies and procedures, sometimes organizations issue an upgrade notice when their policies or procedures change. To better understand how to use upgrade notice, let's look at some examples. 1. I received an upgrade notice from my phone's manufacturer about the latest software version. 2. The gym sent out an upgrade notice about new equipment and facilities. 3. Our company's IT department issued an upgrade notice for the computer network. I hope this video helps you understand what an upgrade notice is and how you can use it in different contexts. Remember, breaking down phrases and understanding their context can greatly enhance your English language skills. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.